Okay, to get started on my buffalo chicken dip, I'm going to spray my little crock pot. I like doing this in a crock pot, that way it'll stay warm till you get ready to eat it, versus putting it in the oven in like a casserole dish. I've got 1 block of cream cheese. And I've got 2 large cans of chicken breast chunks. I get this at Sam's Club, and it's really good chicken. It's really white. So I just put it in the crock pot. You drain it really good. Then I just kind of take a fork and break it up. You can also use regular chicken, you know, that you've cooked if you have it left over. But see how that's real white and just shreds up? They have really good chicken. Okay, now to this, I want to add, let's see. I've got some ranch dressing. I want to add about a 1/2 cup of ranch dressing. Then I've got this buffalo wing sauce from Sweet Baby Ray's. Okay, and I want to add a 1/2 cup of that. I just want to stir it up a little bit. Clean the top off. And then I've got some cheddar cheese. I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese. So it's a 1/2 cup of ranch, a 1/2 cup of buffalo sauce, and a 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese. Okay, then you just want to cover your crock pot and turn it on low and just let it simmer till you get ready to eat it. Okay, it's been 3 hours. I just want to stir it up really good. It smells really good. You just want to make sure it's combined really good. Stir it up, and you just leave it in your crock pot till you're ready to eat it. Great for game day. That's delicious. Yummy, yummy. I like to serve mine on lettuce leaves. Sprinkle of chives.